Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and cable so the connection will be reliable. Plug a high-quality USB-C cable into the Vivo Y20 and your computer. Low-quality cables often limit data. Once connected, unlock the phone and make sure mobile data is active. Tethering uses your cellular link. If you haven't enabled developer options yet, tap build number 7 times in About Phone. This unlocks extra USB modes. Do this now. It prevents permission issues later and sets you up for the next configuration steps. Once done, go directly to Settings, then Network and Internet, and open Hotspot and Tethering. This is where the phone offers USB tethering. Toggle USB tethering on while the device is connected. You may see a prompt asking to allow the computer to use mobile data. Accept it. On the computer, wait for the new network adapter to appear. Windows often installs drivers automatically. Make sure you're not in charge-only USB mode. Switch to file transfer or tethering if needed, because the OS needs. Finally, confirm the PC displays an active network and that web pages load. If it does, you're done. If not, start simple. Toggle USB tethering off and on, unplug and replug the cable, and reboot the phone. These quick resets clear common permission or driver glitches. If problems persist, verify your carrier allows tethering and check APN settings. Sometimes developer options contains USB configuration or modem permissions you must enable. Use these steps to isolate driver, cable, or carrier issues and restore a stable tethered connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.